Want to stop recurring charges on your Simple Mobile account? It's easy to cancel AutoPay and regain control of your payments. There are two main ways to do it: through the Simple Choice app or website, or by contacting customer service. To cancel online, log into your account on simplemobile.com or via the app. Navigate to the Billing or Payment Methods section. Find the AutoPay option and toggle it off or remove your payment method. You should receive instant confirmation. Alternatively, call 1-877-258-3701 anytime or use the live chat feature on the website. A customer service agent can cancel AutoPay for you after verifying your account. Note that while cancellations are generally immediate, some users have reported occasional delays in app updates, potentially leading to one extra charge. If this happens, contact support at simplemobile.com to resolve any disputes. Important considerations and future trends. Before canceling, understand that AutoPay prevents service interruptions by automatically renewing your plan each month. If you cancel, you'll need to manually recharge your account to maintain service. Keep an eye on your account balance through the app to avoid overages. Looking ahead, the trend is towards more digital self-service options. Simple Mobile has integrated AI-powered chat support to automate cancellation requests. Experts predict that AI chatbots will handle most support queries in the near future. Also, be aware of potential risks like cyber attacks on payment systems, which may prompt stronger verification methods. If you face any issues, remember that Simple Mobile is required to make cancellation easy and provide written confirmation adhering to U.S. federal law.